Look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 7,200 pounds, 3,266 kilograms, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, jet black, cloth seat trim, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. LT Convenience Package, Custom Sport, 1 LT trim and the LED lighting, cargo box. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.